people around us.
Thanks so much. Congratulations for this collaboration.
Hi Emma, good evening po. My name is Adam, I'm a pageant vlogger. Emma, how do you feel with this latest endorsement that you have from Hikari Skin Essentials? How do you feel that God has blessed you with your career in beauty?
Super duper happy. I can't really explain it in words kasi imagine dati pinapangarap mo lang na sana nandun din ako o kaya yung mga products na nilalagay mo sa yellow basket, nilalagay mo siya dyan para magkaroon lang ng commission, but you're not really an endorser. You're just using the product. Tapos tinutulungan mo na lang din sila makapagbenta para may commission ka. But this one, soon, malalagay ko siya sa yellow basket ko, pero endorser na rin ako. So yun siya, meron kasali ako. Promise, kasi you know what, the yellow basket in TikTok, malaking tulong siya sa akin ng time na nag-compete ako ha. Kasi hindi ko inakala na ganun pala yung kikitain mo. But mas iba yung feeling kapag yung product na nilalagay mo doon, endorser ka. Kasi hindi mo naman ilalagay yung product mo doon kung hindi mo na-try, di ba? Kaya nga di ba pag si TikTok naglagay ka ng product doon, nire-restrict ka niya kasi hindi mo naman pinapakita, hindi mo naman na-endorse na maayos. So, gano'n siya kasaya, Adam, na I feel so blessed also and so thankful with ALV kasi malaking tulong po yung opportunity din na binigay niyo sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat.
To Sir ALV, I'm so happy for, you know, this is Arcadi's first ever Miss Grand National Award. Sa'yo pa, sa'yo nanggaling pa yung success na yun through because of Emma. So I was just wondering, gaano po kadaming, how bankable is Emma right now as a first time, you know, title holder of Miss Grand International for our country? I know, crown lang sa kanila. So, what are we looking forward to in her reign in terms of here locally po?
Well, if you will ask me how bankable Emma now, oh, super dami. Nag-glow ako. Super, and there are so many offers left and right, especially in our country, Philippines. And also, I'm sure the international, hindi naman din discuss ni Nawat or Teresa, but they told me there's a lot of offers also from the other countries. And also, I will all talk about Philippines. So Philippines, it's many offers, not only for endorsement, but also television. Not also, if she will go beyond, you know, beauty queen. Siguro right after ng pain niya, she will go for television. Not only for news and current affairs program, meron din siya offers now to the other programs, not only for entertainment programs. And there's also offer for movies. So maraming magagamit and open a lot of doors for Emma. And I hope na continue yung, kasi magaling na ambassador. Dahil talagang ginagamit niya. I saw it, ginamit ko talaga ito during the time because I told her, you need to get a supplement that glows your skin because you have better skin, dapat na more. Sinabi niya, she's using this new product. And binentahan siya. Binentahan siya doon, hindi siya magbibenta. Pero na siya. At siya na yung mukha, at siya na yung ambassador ng Hikari Skin Essential. I'm so proud of her. And I hope tuloy-tuloy ito. And not only for Emma, but for all the winning, you know, queens natin na magkaroon doon ng mga pag-open ng very opportunities.
Thank you, sir. Pwede ko po ask some question?
Yes.
You know, ako perfect lang po kasi nasa action press con tonight. because MGI just released a teaser about MGI All-Stars. So I was just wondering, what are your thoughts about it coming from the winningest national director in the country right now? Everyone is excited. All the pageant fans are very excited about it.
Now, what was here last week, and you mentioned to me about that All-Stars. But hindi niya pa binibigay yung mga criteria how to join, and wala pa yung mga other details about it. So I think the question is, kahit anong pageant daw pwedeng sumali. But the problem is, ayaw payagan yung mga minsan yun na makapag-join sila. Because from other pageant, parang mahirapan. That's why I told you, you have to study muna to. You just came from other pageants. At queen sila doon, baka hindi yan payagan yung organization nila. So yun lang yung mga question ko sa kanya na he has to clear yung mga requirements how to join the All-Star MGI.
Thank you po.
Kung gagawin niya yung more than Miss Grand, if you were going to change the name of the competition, you use it Grand, maybe the other candidates from the other organization will join.
Thank you. What about you, Emma? Yeah, what are your thoughts about it? Everyone is very excited, and yeah.
Oh, share ko pa nga lang yung post ni Papa Not. Actually, nakaka-excite kasi when we was studying about it, we were in a Miss Universe event. And he got so excited because he saw a lot of potential beauty queens. And he really want to give like an opportunity to these girls, to these women, na ang daming pwede. Kaya niya naisip, siguro kaya hindi sumasali ibang queens kasi iniisip nila, ay naku, baka hindi na ako pwede dyan kasi nag-runner up na ako dito. That's why he came up with that idea na MGI All-Stars. And I am also excited for that because me, myself, I experience how grander production, how genuine they are, and how really they take pageantry seriously. And you saw that not just in Miss Grand International, but also during Miss Universe 2025.
Off the top of your head, kung tatanungin ka, pero may gusto kang, makita na from our country to join or try this pageant.
Ang dami, kasi parang ang hirap mag-name ng iilan, kasi sobrang dami ng pwede na maging winner. Winner na agad, di ba? Hindi lang candidate ng MGI All-Stars na matitik nila lahat ng list ni Papa Nawat para maging winner ng MGI All-Stars. So, kailangan ba ng names? Parang ang names dapat manggaling sa media. Ang dami talaga, ang daming potential women na dapat sumali. Coming from this world, Philippines, di ba? Sir ALD, sino ba gusto mong isali? If ever na magsasali ka ng tatlo. Sige, tatlo muna, ALD. Sino isasali mo po?
Ako sila ito. On the spot. Huwag naman. Huwag ko magalit yung iba. Pero marami when Philippines has a lot of potentials and then a lot of also queens na let's give them a chance na sumikat. Coming from me, what Miss World Philippines, who are the most qualified to join?
Top 3 on your mind right now.
The Miss World Asia, I think they see Krishna. Krishna is one of the best contender. And give her a chance because she's supposed to be the Miss World. Kaya lang, she's Miss World, sayang. Konti na lang eh. Konting-konti. Siguro one step forward siya na yung winner. Siguro this is a big chance for her to have an international crown.
Who else? 2 more.
2 more. Kahit Nelly.
Wala pang
Michelle Lee. Michelle Lee. She was in this world before. Michelle Lee also is a big potential. And Perez. Tracy Perez. Tracy Maureen Perez. These are the qualified. Katarina Rodriguez is also qualified. Okay.
Sige po. Okay, last question to the owners. How do you see this partnership moving forward? Will we see a Miss Vicari in the upcoming special award in the upcoming pageant here? Will we see a Miss Vicari Skin Special Award in one of A&E's pageants? Or mas ano yung makakabongga yung promotion yung marketing, especially regarding the beauty pageant industry?
Actually, sir, very timely kasi tayo ay isa sa sponsor ng Miss World this coming year. Ayan. So, mamaya we will further discuss yung details. And then, yung na-mention mo na Miss Vicari, the future, actually 3 days ago, we were thinking of magkaroon din ng sariling Miss Vicari, Mr. Vicari, of course, and in between, meron din tayo mga for Mr. World. So, dapat lahat maabot ng Vicari Special. So, everyone.
Sana mag-grow ng Miss World. I'm sure next year, Miss Grand.
Yes!
Silang kawawa natin.
Next, sabi ko ako kay mga kanina. Sabi ko, Queen, pwede share. Mamaya.
Later na. Thank you so much, guys. Last 2 questions na lang po sa ating mga media partners, and then we will wrap up the Q&A portion. Last 2. Sige po,
Emma, we have a phone-in question from MJ Felipe of ABS-CBN, who unfortunately couldn't make it today, but his crew is here with us. So he just wanted to ask you, this might sound a bit off topic, so I hope you don't mind, but he just wants to ask your reaction to the DTI's statement about the 500 peso budget. What's your reaction to this? Kasha ba or hindi or what?
Dagdagan na lang po ng another 499, may Vicari product na. No, kidding aside. My reaction to this is, I think iba-iba kasi tayo ng trabaho, iba-iba tayo ng kita, di ba? Pagdating sa pera, iba-iba tayo ng consumption sa pagkain. So I think sa 500 pesos sa panahon ngayon, parang mahirap po talaga. Honestly speaking, 500 pesos, di ba? Parang siguro po bang isang tao, but we will not celebrate holiday alone. Diba? We will celebrate it with the family, with our friends. And for me, I don't think it's not enough. But if we are given a chance na makapag-share man sa kapwa natin, if we have blessings sa sarili natin, diba? I think it's more on sharing na lang the blessings kasi if we will focus on those kind of issues, masistress lang tayo. And giving different opinions will not solve that problem. What really can solve that problem is us Filipinos. It's within us. It's within us by helping each other. Ganun na lang po siguro.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Jonathan, last question.
Last question. Last question.
Hi, Queen Emma. Congratulations. I wasn't able to attend your send-off. Joke lang. Anyway, I just like to ask, regarding your commitment to Vicari, will we also see you doing live selling for Vicari?
Yes, kotaka, as they say in Thailand, add to cart, diba? And wala pong masama. Yun nga din yung question sa akin during the Grand Talk kasi one of the issues sa Miss Grand International is the candidates or the winners are doing live selling, and there's nothing wrong with that. MGI just help us to be good entrepreneur, and we need to be madiskarte, and us Filipinos, we are madiskarte. Wala pong masama sa pag-live selling. And after I won Miss Grand International, yung first live selling namin with my first runner-up Gachabel, actually naging live selling for Akos pa po siya. Because that was the time No, naka-experience po ang Philippines ng earthquake. And through that live selling, nakatulong pa po tayo sa ibang tao. So yes, you will see me soon doing live selling with Kimberly. And also, you can also check out sa aking Yellow Basket where you will apply. Diba? So,
Kaya ako lang ang Yellow Basket.
naman! Bili na po kayo.
Last question na lang, ano ba ang Christmas wish mo?
Natupad na. Actually, yung Christmas wish natin, parang natupad na rin naman yung back-to-back victory. Siguro, ang isa na lang din na hihingin ko, ang hihingin ko ay, it would be a big word and it's really hard to achieve, pero wala naman pong imposible if we will have a wish to have like peace. Peace within our community and peace within us.
Thank you.
What a beautiful words and now we're feeling it. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga media partners na namin mula unofficial photo op.